as you can see, I'm just making a little, well, it's going to be an excavator, so I can show you how. You just build 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks on each side and 2 parts away from each other. Next, you want some orange, and you would put orange concrete like this, and you would put more in the back like this. So you just put the same amount of orange concrete on top of these, and then you put 3 out and 1 like this. So it doesn't quite really look like an excavator yet, so I'm just going to add all that concrete on the inside too. I'm going to get you guys a few minutes. This is black concrete powder, this is orange concrete, this is a glass pane, and this is smooth sandstone. So I'm just going to add something like 1 block out, like that, and it's going to be 3 blocks, and you want it one away from that, and you want this 2 blocks, and then you would, oh shoot, I got the wrong thing. You don't, I think what would be good would be the red sandstone wall, because it fits in good with this. And now I'm just going to add it up like that and like that. And now, to add something like right there, I'm going to add that, and I'm going to break the top of that and put a slab. So I'm going to put the smooth red sandstone slab, and it's going to look a lot like this. I'm going to make the entire thing like that too. Now you want space like right there for the boom. Now for the boom, we're gonna add well, I guess it could go good with pale oak or smooth redstone stairs. I'm gonna take the smooth redstone stairs, but you guys can do anything. So I'm just gonna add it just like this, and I'm just gonna do that. And then for the massive, whatever you call it, it's gonna be like this, but after you're gonna break that like that, but not that one. So now you want to add a smooth sandstone wall down here like that and that. Now you want to make that here and here. That looks pretty good. So now you want it down here too, and like that. So you can also add something kind of like this, and you will do that. Now for the back, I'm gonna just do that here. So in the back there's gonna be just this in the back, so it's gonna look like this, and it's gonna go up like this. To make the engine, you just need a single block. That's why I brought the smooth sandstone, and it's gonna be in just like that. And well, I guess not a really single block. Now, for the front of it, you want you are gonna want a stick, and you are gonna want a glow item frame, just like that. You place it like that, and then you do that. You can make it like this, or however you want, and then on the top, I'm gonna put redstone, block of redstone here, so it looks like it's really warm. And then for here, I'm just gonna add this, and there we go. I'm just gonna do that, and I'll add all the slabs down. I think I will also put trapdoors down, so I'll just put it like that. You can pause the video whenever you would like. This is gonna go down like this, and then I'm gonna break that. And I'm also gonna do, wait, no, that on that. How come this is so hard? You just open that, and then you can look inside and do maintenance and stuff. So I'm just break this side, because this side doesn't look really good. So now I'm gonna close that back up, and I guess all you would have to do is add a little iron bars like this. And now if you want to add a door here or something, that's what I'm gonna do. So you might want something like a waxed copper door. So that looks pretty good. Now I'm just gonna build up the red sandstone like so, just like that. Now that looks pretty good. Now I'm just gonna add it like that. There we go. That looks pretty good. And I guess today's video is done for today, so I think this is a goodbye for today, and see you next time. Bye bye.